Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make health bars in Scratch. First, let's set up the basics. Begin by creating a new sprite for your health bar. Design two distinct costumes for it, one representing full health and another for empty. Next, establish a variable named health and set its initial value to 100. This variable will track your player's current health throughout the game. Now, let's make that health bar dynamic. We'll use the set size to block to visually represent the player's health. Calculate the current health as a percentage of the maximum health, then apply this percentage to the health bar's width. For example, if health is 50, the bar will be 50% of its full size. Remember to position this sprite clearly above your player character. Handling damage is crucial for any game. When your player takes damage, use a change health by block with a negative value. It's important to include an if statement to prevent health from dropping below 0. If health reaches 0, broadcast a game over message to trigger your game's ending sequence. This ensures a clear and consistent game state. To complete your health system, implement healing mechanics. Use a change health by block with a positive value for healing items. Always cap the maximum health, perhaps at 100, to prevent players from exceeding full health. For an enhanced experience, consider adding distinct sound effects for both taking damage and receiving healing. These small details greatly improve player feedback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.